The TeraFlex Universal Tire Deflator offers an easy way to air down your tires. It fits most standard valve stem holes and offers tool-free deflation. The internal adjuster can be preset to cut off at any pressure between 8 and 28 PSI. When the deflator is opened, the higher pressure in the tire forces the stopper open and allows air to escape through a valve at the base. A tension spring will push the stopper back into place, cutting off the flow of air. If the adjuster is tightened, then more tension is placed on the spring and the airflow will cut off sooner at a higher pressure. While the tire deflator installation will likely be done in the tire shop, we thought showing you the process could be helpful. Begin the process by removing the deflator from the box and removing the two bottom nuts and TPMS sensor bracket. There is a rubber grommet on the bottom which needs to remain on the deflator. Make sure you have a wheel to install the deflator into. Insert the deflator into the stem hole and attach it using the first nut. Slide the TPMS bracket on and then install the second nut. Don't tighten it yet. Make sure the threaded hole on the TPMS bracket is pointing away from the wheel. Attach the TPMS sensor to the bracket. The bracket is designed to receive most common TPMS sensors. Some older vehicles may need adapters. This is a sensor off of a Jeep Wrangler. Big surprise there. Adjust the position of the sensor and then final tighten the hardware. Install the wheel onto the tire. Anytime you need to add air to the tire, simply remove the red cap. If the cap is on too tight, the deflator can spin when you turn the red cap. The provided tool or a 7mm wrench can be used to keep the deflator from spinning. Fill up the tire and replace the cap. To lower the pressure, turn the air down cover until air begins to leave the tire. The deflator will shut off at the preset pressure. Tighten the cover once the deflator has shut off. The deflators are preset to 8 PSI, which is the lowest setting, but air down pressure level can be adjusted to go as high as 28 PSI. To change the cutoff, remove the cap and the air down cover. Use the provided tool and insert it into the grooves in the adjuster. Turn the adjuster clockwise until it is all the way tight. The deflator is now set to 28 PSI. Fill the tire until the deflator opens. Wait until it shuts off, and then turn the adjuster one turn counterclockwise. The deflator will open and let out 2 to 3 PSI at a time. Continue to lower the pressure one turn or half turn at a time. Check the pressure after every turn until you get the desired pressure. Replace the cover and then refill the tire. TeraFlex's Universal Tire Deflator is a must-have for anyone who deflates their tires on the regular. Get them on your wheels today.